Hello Nerdfightastic, it is Sunday and I am outside again because I felt kind of bad that I didn't vlog while I was outside. And it's windy. I hit the start button and it starts being windy. Anyway, I was originally going to take you guys on a little tour of the Lake in the Hills Fen, which is a forest, or not forest preserve, it's a preserve in general in the area. It's really close to my house that I used to volunteer at. But that's going to have to happen another day because I have some stuff going on and I need to go do that before Scott does his BlogTV show tonight. Which, by the way, if you don't know, Scott, Mr. Tuesday, Mr. Zachary Day, this guy, he's going to be on BlogTV tonight, and you all should come. He's going to be on, I think it was 10 o'clock Central Standard Time. I will put in the sidebar what time he's going to be on. Make sure you click the link and go watch because it's going to be fun. The first 5 people to comment on this video and tell me that they're going to be there get ops when they come in. So you get ops, which is awesome. 5 people. You all have to comment down there. Lisp. I don't have my yearbook today, Dave. I actually don't have a high school yearbook. I never bought one, but I do have a middle school one somewhere, so I will look for that and I will try and find it. As far as ringtones for your phone, I really don't know what to tell you to get. I can't get comfortable. Oh my gosh. But I can show you what mine are. My text message and my voicemail are, which is a Murloc from World of Warcraft, because I'm a big nerd like that. And then I have my intro song that I used. Which is Christina Aguilera. I used that for my intro song when we first started Nerdfightastic. So, I also have, and I'm not kidding, that really is the ringtone that I have on my phone. I use it to, when I go to the conventions, I put it as my ringtone, so when people call me, I rickroll all the nerds that are around me. It's a lot of fun. I have, hopefully you can hear these. I don't even know if you will. White nerdy from now.
Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring.
I don't think you would want that one. I just found it amusing. I have a Sailor Moon one, which is way too low. You probably won't hear it. And I have a really bad recording of Trump. Yeah. And John Mayer, because I love John Mayer. So, those are mine. I don't know if you'd even want any of those, to be honest. But yeah. Anyway, like I said, there's a BlogTV chat tonight. You should come, everyone should come and chat with us. I think all of Nerdfightastic is going to be there, so if you've followed us from the beginning, you know that we all met on BlogTV. We were watching John and Hank on the tour to Nerdfighting, except for Scott. So this is kind of like Scott's initiation into BlogTV. Like I said, first 5 people to comment saying they're going to be there get automatic operator powers, so you get to be an op with us, and I will see you all tonight.